a video to practice Jingle Bells, especially the first line, which is Song 54 on page 21 of the Brown Book. So let's get into our playing position with our thumbs placed across from the green tape. Make sure you have some space underneath or above the thumb. Your fingers are ready. The first note is an F sharp, so you're going to put your second finger across or on top of the shorter red tape on the D string. F sharp sounds like this. And then the next note that's going to come up is simple, open A string. But make sure you cross your bow over to the open A, and then you have the note open D. Then first finger E on top of the green tape or whatever tape, color tape you have on the D string. And then the last other note we have on this piece is G right here on the second line. That is third finger, or ring finger, third finger on the D string. So it is this long green tape right here. So let's review that again. Open D. First finger on D string is E. Second finger, an entire whole step up, is F sharp. Now half step above, you're going to touch your third finger with your second finger. That is a note G. G, third finger. Now lift your third finger to play F sharp. Lift your second finger, and then you're going to play first finger E on the D string. And then back to open D string. Okay, so I'm going to play the entire piece, Jingle Bells, from the beginning to the end without stopping. Here we go. Violin is up in playing position. Checking my bow hold, placing my bow toward the frog, at the frog on the D string. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop your bow. Second line. Third line. Stop your bow, retake last line. One, 2, 3, 4, hold, and then put your violin down.